And it's a touch screen too. Let's push that back in there and take the back off. There we go. And we got it. I'm going to pull the fan and the heat sink for the CPU. I'm going to clean them up first. So out comes the heat sink. Out comes the fan. And then I'll clean up the processor. Goo gone. Heat sink. Goop. Let that soak. And we'll do the same with this one. I need to mark through these little holes something that will show up so I can drill when I pull the hinge back, okay? And make sure I go straight down. So let me back up to get a good grip on this. To do what I could do, what I had to do, this is a pointy. I made sure that everything looks upright, square, and centered. And just did this and did a little bit of this. And did that with every hole that I could come up with. Last one. Now let's bring these hinges up and I'll show you macroly a drill bit. The screw is 7/64. Okay, the drill bit also is 7/64. If you can see that, right through the top, that's one. That looks okay there. I need to come over here and do the same thing. Through the top. So close to that button. But then again, not. Oh, that's nice. So let's try one of these things. Alright. I won't be able to see this, but that's okay, I will. And a nut. Gotta have a nut. Okay. As you can see, very carefully, those are in there. Simple drilling. And 1, 2. So let's just go ahead and tighten down by hand what we can. Then I can balance the pressure on the hinges. And if you think this is going to be in the way of the screen closing on the laptop, you're absolutely correct. But I got another plan for that too. Let's distribute the load. Let's see what happens when we do close it. Technically, I don't even think they're touching. They don't even look like they're touching. Oh my God. I guess that's okay, because we don't want them to. Then I need to Dremel off these birds. They have to come off flush. So I just cloned Windows 10 onto this hard drive, and let's connect it and see if this thing fires up after all this work. Just might work. Fire it up. Light goes on. HP logo. Hope you can see that. Wow, I got the circle of success. See that circle going around? That's a good thing. Loaded, good to go. So I'd like to put some super glue down in here. Out of the same type of bulbs with an 18650 that I'm going to cure it with. Okay, now we're going to test pretty solid, but even though it helps cure it, it's still got to set for a bit. So let's move on to the other hinge over here. So let's cut these off. I've marked this one with a little black dot because it fits right through the back of the case and there's no reason to cut it. And of course, you know, same with this one over here. I marked this with a little black dot because it goes right through the back of the case. So let's go ahead and cut them. Might be hot. Seems okay. So let's see how this all comes together as soon as I find back plate. So the problem of getting the back plate on is that this bolt or nut is in the way. So a simple fix for that, when it won't close all the way, is then all I'm just going to do is drill that hole out. Simple. I'll drill it out to the diameter of this nut. I'll be groovy. So let's do that.
So let's knock the nut, the hole for the nut. You gotta have the proper hole to fit the nut.
Let me get my nut maker. It's better to start off with a smaller bit. And build your way up. See what we got. Ooh, I think that's it. And you know what? I'm going to have to do this one too. And that's okay. Found the feet. Also found the screw, but then I lost it again. It should hold up. If not, I got stuff for that. And of course, the final project. Fully loaded, looks good. You know, not bad. Let's take a look at over there. You know, it's acceptable. I'm okay with it. And I can sell it. Thank you for watching. And as always, I hope you learned something. I know I did. And please subscribe. It does help. Thank you.